Hi, this is Subathra Mylsamy, advocate, partner at AK Mylsamy and Associates. So, continuing on the journey of a video, today's topic is yet another very interesting topic which we are going to discuss, which is going to be on the celebrity rights and their publicity rights. So, before we delve into or move on deeper into the subject matter, so let us first understand who is a celebrity. Now, in today's world, anybody or any person who has gained a lot of popularity, not only just like in the name of movie stars or sports persons, but it can be even these social media influencers who have gained a lot of followers. They are also come into the term of a celebrity. Now, there is always one set of scholars who say that celebrity is a person, for example, who has gained popularity, say, over a period of time. Say, for example, the evergreen actors like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan or like Mr. Rajinikanth or many more to name. They have grown from a long period of time, and today they have established them on the top levels as a celebrity. Now, there are also other sets of people who have just coming up, or even TV stars or dramas, people who act on dramas who are also coming up and who also fall under the category of celebrity. Some of their categories or the popularity is given to them, or they achieve it in a shorter span of time. So this is one other view taken by the scholars as well. So the time frame is one aspect which they say the longer the time and you're popular is, you call them a celebrity. Or there are overnight celebrities who become popular due to social medias or due to the soaps which take place. So that is on the aspect of who is and who can be termed as celebrity. Plus, say for example, if your photograph is liked by so many people and they use it for a commercial purpose, then also you fall into the category of a celebrity. For example, like small stores or salons or beauty parlors or anywhere, if you see, a lot of people take it for granted and use the pictures, say for example, Sridevi's pictures, or they use the pictures of sports stars like Vishwanath Anand or Sindhu or anybody maybe. So that your photograph or the image itself is got a lot of value and in a commercial aspect. So people tend to use it thinking that this will gain, a lot of people will walk into their shops or into their place of purchase. So that is where, and I would like to sum up again, this is what we understand from who is a celebrity as such. Now, what are the rights of the celebrity? So, coming to the celebrities, they have a little bit of different rights, which is their publicity rights is what we will generally be talking about. So, in publicity rights, if you look into deeper, it is basically, first thing is you need to have the consent of the celebrity before you go ahead and publish either their photographs or use it for any other purposes, or for example, anything related with their likeliness or mannerisms. You have to get their permission and then only do it. So anything for any celebrity without the consent, if you do it, it is a violation, and it cannot be taken for granted that you can publicize any of their pictures or any of their work without the consent. Another important point is the name or the photographs cannot be used without their consent in any shops or for any commercial purposes at any cost. For example, like I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of small stores or shops do use the photographs of actors or influencers or anybody who they think is famous, taking it for granted that they can use it for their commercial purposes, which should not be done. So why is the right being violated here? See, it is because the right of publicity deals with the commercial value of the famous person, and also it protects their proprietary interests so that they can gain the profits from this public appearance or any kind of endorsements they make. So when a person uses the celebrity's photographs or their name without the permission for their commercial purpose, then the celebrity can invoke the right of publicity over the banner. So in order to prove the case for the right of publicity, any celebrity have to understand there are two basic elements to make out a case. The first aspect I'm going to talk about is on validity. Now, validity is nothing but the celebrity should have his or her own identification and their own rights to say, I am a popular artist, so it has to be their own identification has to be created. For instance, Rajinikanth cannot claim the right of publicity over the name Basha, though today many people associate the name Basha with Mr. Rajinikanth. So the name of the movie as such, the title or the right is only with the producer of the movie and not with Mr. Rajinikanth. So the second aspect is the identifiability, which is that the celebrity must be identifiable by the opponent and they should have used his or her image for their commercial purposes, right? So this means that the celebrity should be able to say that his or her name or the photograph is being used for the commercial purposes. Plus the people in general should also identify them, yes, they are famous personalities and it is being used and there is a large amount of commercialization which has happened, and if it has happened, then the celebrities have the right to go and file a case against the person who has used their name or their photographs without their consent. So the right of publicity is an umbrella of rights, and we will be discussing about this in detail again in coming videos. So yes, if you are a celebrity, please do understand that it is not that it is required that you have to register under the law, but you being a mere celebrity itself gives you certain rights by default. And people who are into business of marketing or in building up a brand or using celebrities for your endorsements, please be aware that you cannot just like that take in their photographs or their likeness and take it for granted and use it in whether it is on your website, social media platforms or on banners or any manner to commercialize your business. So kindly please understand that you have to take the authorization and the consent from the celebrity from whom you intend to use them for your commercial purposes. So thank you so much for watching another video. See you next time.